Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Roblox Studio. You must open the exact place that holds the character model you intend to remove. First, sign in and load the place. Once loaded, make sure Explorer and Properties are visible so you can find instances. Use the search bar in Explorer to locate the character name or model quickly and click it to highlight. Don't skip confirming you're in the correct place. Deleting from the wrong place is irreversible for that data. Once the model is selected, inspect its hierarchy. Look for the model, humanoid, and humanoid root part nodes. This confirms it's the player character asset. Next, right-click the top-level model in Explorer and choose Delete. Studio removes that instance from the place immediately. After deletion, search for scripts or assets that reference the character and either update or delete those references to prevent runtime errors. This cleanup ensures that with the model gone and references cleaned, publish the place to push changes live. Choose File, then Publish to Roblox. Once published, enter Play and Play Here or Start Server to verify the character no longer appears and no errors show in the output window. If something goes wrong, immediately restore a previous version via version history or load a local backup. That single rollback is the safest troubleshooting step, so make sure you have backups before destructive changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.